What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I got a short update video for you guys today. I got to give a major shout out to my dude Robel for actually finding this car. So you guys know, for the Green Monster to even be put back to some semblance of normalcy, the entire interior was missing. Well, the wonderful geniuses over at Collision Works lost the interior. And USAA has now washed their hands of it. You know, the car sold, they don't care. They're not going to provide the interior. So what do you do to replace the entire back seats, the modules, and everything else? Well, I was like, well, damn, that's going to be like 15 grand. Well, what if you could buy an entirely complete separate car, a clone of the Green Monster? Hmm. So welcome on back into TK's Garage, and that's exactly what we're going to look at today. Major stuff. Like, again, this would only be possible. Like, this is why I really love that you guys are subscribers that find this stuff and send it my way. Robel found this, sent it to me on Instagram in a DM. It was over at IAA, and it does have some body damage to the front and the rear quarter, but I think that car probably could also be put back together. It's got way less miles. It is a 6-speed manual, and funny, it has the exact same interior as the Green Monster. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the pictures of it, and then we'll, discuss and see what you guys think about it. All right, guys, so this is the car that Robel found over on IAA. Notice anything different? It is an F8 Green Challenger, same spoiler, pretty much very close to the same spec. Look at those seats. Ding, 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 ding. And I even looked at the VIN number and the build date, and this car was built 3 days after mine. Lower mileage. This side of the car looks really good. Now, basically front end clip, fender, and the rear quarter is the only issue that I think would be a pain to fix. But look at how clean everything is on the interior of this car. I don't know, man. I think this one is kind of a deal that you can't really pass up. Ooh, nice catch can too. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think it's a pretty worthy or pretty decent donor car, but I think maybe it could possibly also be fixed. And depending on what could be the better title situation, one could be a track car and one could be the everyday daily driver. But for those trolls and the other people that were in the comments saying that, the interior, buying the Green Monster at the price that it was, basically a little bit over 22 and a half, that, and by the way, that's not including fees and everything else. But picking the car up at that price and then putting another 13 to 14,000 in an interior, that was insane. Well, if you're able to pick up a whole separate car with another whole drivetrain and everything else, fresh tires, rims, the whole nine, and you're able to get that car for, say, 10, 12, now we're looking at something that could be worth it. Because I think even with the body damage on that car, if it was even half-ass repaired by, who knows, like even a Collision Works type of spot, it could be a very decent track car, an actual toy, while the other car is completely put back together. But anyways, I told you guys I was going to crank out 2 of these for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm a little optimistic on some of the things with this thing going forward, but let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys on the next one.